Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites. Inspect the win-back tool for damage, clear a 1-meter work area, and put on gloves. Once done, align the cable with the spool and engage the gear or ratchet so the mechanism is ready. Now take a slow initial pull to seat the cable into the grooves while holding tension. This prevents overlaps. Make sure to maintain steady hand pressure so the first wraps form cleanly and the tool captures the line correctly. You continue by controlling tension and guiding the line across the spool. Keep a steady pull so coils sit next to each other. Sudden releases cause tangles. Once the drum spins, use your thumb or a guide finger to shepherd the wraps evenly from end to end. This prevents pileups. If the ratchet speed increases, slow your input slightly and pause periodically to realign any misdirected coils. This mid-stage discipline reduces stress on the tool and ensures a tidy finish. You finish by locking the ratchet and securing the cable end with the clip or a tie so nothing slips. Then trim any excess and test retraction gently under a light load to confirm smooth operation. If you encounter resistance or a jam, stop immediately. Reverse the mechanism slowly to relieve tension, clear any debris or snarled wraps, and reseat the coils before trying again. Taking these final checks prevents damage and makes the tool reliable for the next use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.